Hello people of YouTube, it's Deepak here, and welcome to DCS World 2.7.5 and Razbam Sims AV8B Harrier module. Welcome to another bonus episode. Today I'm going to show you the two-dimensional Yardstick. So, on the Lightning 2 targeting pod, you'll all be familiar with the normal Yardstick, which is this line here, and its measurement. So basically what this means, I'm going to enter targeting pod mode for the HOTAS controls and slew this around. If I zoom this in, you'll notice that that measurement changes, and basically what it's telling us, this yardstick is telling us what length this line is on the ground at that point. So of course as we zoom in, the line becomes shorter in reality, and that's also affected by our field of view and the range from the aircraft to the ground. Because that's, it's always going to be changing. This is quite useful for gauging the size of objects, but there is a 2D yardstick, and this can be used for a variety of things, but I think in reality, in the real world, what it's probably most commonly used for, and I can't say for sure because I'm not a real world Harrier pilot, it would be to determine if friendly units or neutral units or whatever else are going to be within the frag pattern or frag range of a particular weapon. So let's give this a go. If we press data on the targeting pod and then zoom out and take a little look at the ODU, we'll see we've got some options here. Most of these are not yet implemented, but the two-dimensional yardstick is. Let's choose the two-dimensional yardstick, and first it's going to allow us to switch between meters and feet. When meters is not selected, it's in feet. And also we can increment and decrement in values of 100. Now, I'm not going to do that because we have a very specific value we're going to type in. It's defaulting to 100 right now. I'm going to say 80 and press enter. I'm then going to press on, and that will turn on the two-dimensional yardstick. Now, the reason I've chosen a value of 80 meters is because that is the standard lethal radius, or it's considered to be a lethal radius for the Mark 82 bomb. So now, as I move this around, and even as I'll need to come out of data first, as I zoom out and change my field of view, you can see that this two-dimensional yardstick scales, so it's always showing you an area of 80 meters. So this is very, very useful. So I know that I could drop a bomb here, and if someone was positioned over here, they should be outside of the absolute danger area. Now that's probably not a really safe thing to do, but nonetheless, it gives us an indication. So that's pretty much all it does. And as I said, you can give it values of meters or feet, and you can also increment and decrement it as well. If you want to turn it off again, you would simply press data, choose 2DY, and press off, and it will now stop appearing on your targeting pod. I hope you all enjoyed that. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you all next time.